Kyle Francis said, "We prioritize what we value the most. So, love yourself enough to always be your first priority." Hi, and welcome to the Daily Self-Love Podcast. I'm your host, CS Neha Bajaj, and in today's episode, let's discuss the true meaning and the importance of prioritizing yourself. Prioritizing is determining and scheduling things in order of their relative importance. As Stephen Covey said, the key is not to prioritize what's on your schedule, but to schedule your priorities. And so, prioritizing yourself means acknowledging your needs in different areas of your life and scheduling them as per their importance. Then, setting goals to achieve them and starting to put in the effort to actually accomplish them. Every human being has different priorities in life. Some want financial freedom while others work on building their wealth. A few prioritize their personal life and taking care of their family while others prioritize their career and professional life. And nothing is right or wrong. You have to remember that you are responsible for your own life and what you want to make out of it. No one is going to do that for you. You alone have to make your way through the chaos to reach your clarity. You have to move around the mess to receive the message. And you have to be your own role model before you look up to anyone else for inspiration. External sources of motivation are great. But what is more important is to have a higher level of internal motivation and self-confidence to be sure that you have access to this internal inspiration anytime you want. Because otherwise, you're putting yourself on a dangerous platform of relying on others for your motivation, which will be shattered the moment that external motivation is snatched away from you. What all matters is the choice that you make out of your own free will. So the first thing that is important here is to understand and have clarity on what is it that you really want in your life. Then to align them with your core values. And setting a vision and mission for what you really aim to achieve in your life. This is a long-term plan, which you then break up into SMART goals to achieve them in reality. This activity of prioritizing yourself could then help you in creating your dream life. So, if you are ready for building a life of your dreams, if you wish to live your life on your own terms, then prioritizing yourself is the way forward. Remember that this is never going to be easy. It is just not easy at all. But it is worthwhile if your passion to build your life your way is strong enough to drive you through the choppy waters that you will face in your journey. Remember that you don't get what you want, you get what you prioritize. The choices you make in everyday life is reflected in your current reality or your current life. And it will only change if you will make a choice to actually work on changing them. So, what's your choice? Do you choose to prioritize yourself? Do you want to learn how to prioritize yourself? If yes, just start and be focused. And if you need to talk to someone about this, and if you are looking up for an accountability partner or someone to help you with prioritizing your life, book a one-on-one with me and I will do my best as a self-love lifestyle mentor to help you create the life you desire. With this, I'll sign off for now. See you in the next episode. Share this podcast among your network. Subscribe to the podcast on Apple iTunes and help me reach across the globe, helping people become self-loved. Stay tuned for the next episode and stay self-loved.